Oh, that is squeaky bum time. Look at that. Good morning, guys, and hello from India. I can't believe that I am here. I'm here with my friend Charlotte, and today we are about to go on a tour around Delhi. I have never been to India before, neither has Charlotte, so it's our first time ever in India, and we are going to show you our first impressions of Delhi. Firstly, let's cross the road safely. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Oh my gosh, look, fruit going past. Hello. Okay guys, we have just arrived at the first stop of the day, which is Jama Masjid, which is the Muslim mosque, one of the Muslim mosques here. You can just see in front of me, I'm walking up the steps to the entrance. It's very beautiful. Very busy here, but very beautiful. So we have to take our shoes off to go inside, guys. Just leave them here. And then we're in barefoot for the rest of the way. Entrance fee is 350 rupee, which quick maths is about £3, maybe just over £3. So not too bad. And I think you need to cover shoulders. Getting in a gown, yeah, thank you. Got a gown. Okay. Can't find the sleeve. Oh wow, it's very beautiful. It's kind of nice being in bare feet, which is weird. So yeah, literally, toes are out. Walking barefoot around the Jama Masjid. Look. So our guide was just telling us that this mosque has, on a Friday, 2,000 people for prayer every Friday, and every day at least 200 people for prayer. And I think it has a capacity of 200,000, which is crazy, all praying at the same time. That tends to happen at Eid and other Muslim festivals. It's really beautiful here though. There is like the sound of constant beeping from the traffic on the road outside, but it still feels really peaceful inside, which is quite an interesting contrast, honestly. So our guide also did tell us earlier, guys, that the same person that built the Taj Mahal actually built the Jama Masjid as well. So that's pretty amazing. And the Red Fort, which hopefully we will get to see on our last day here. So one hell of an architect there. Hello, Mecca. Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys, we are now on a rickshaw going through the streets of Delhi. We're taking a rickshaw to the car, and this Delhi traffic is no joke, guys. Are you ready? This is Delhi traffic. I thought Bali traffic was bad. I mean, actually Bali traffic's probably similar to this, to be fair. Just more scooters, less cars. But that is wild. What do you think, Charlotte?
It's tight.
It's tight. I don't know if we're getting through here anytime soon, to be honest. We might be faster on foot. Oh, our guy's getting a drink for the road. He knows it's going to be a while. Hello. He's literally getting a roadie. He's like, yeah. Oh, that guys, squeaky bum time. Look at that. Guys, that is, oh.
Well played.
Well, I don't know if they're making it through there.
He's got it.
With a hare's whisker. Oh, he's through! I'm impressed. Top effort. Very clever. That was close. My goodness, it's busy. I have a feeling we're going to be here for a while, guys. We're doing a UE. It's that busy. We're going elsewhere. Back we go.
You know it's bad when the actual drivers say wow.
Yeah. I'm going to put this on for a second so you get an idea of how loud it is. Because people are pipping all the time, constantly. It is wild. Definitely thrown into local life. Like every few seconds. This is pipping is their way of communicating. Crazy. Wild. We are in the middle of it. Guys, we are crossing a crazy road right now. That was actually very smoothly navigated, I can't lie. I have trust in Bossman here because he's dealt with these roads a lot.
Okay.
We arrived! Thank you!
so much.
Thanks so much!
Be careful, be careful.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Okay guys, so we have just arrived at India Gate, which is one of the famous landmarks. It's actually a war memorial, and there are some lovely fountains, little ponds that we're walking through. It's very busy, it's a very popular place. It's just over here, you can see it just over here. So we're gonna walk towards the gate. Hopefully we can get a little shot of it. Looks like there's school trips here going on as well. Very cute. Hey! Hello! Hi!
1 minute print out.
Ooh, traffic jam. Good, thank you. Hi. That's so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, can you hear the screaming? Wait. Basically, everyone's shouting in the tunnel, I think. This is where the party's at. All the kids. This is hilarious. All come here on school trips and scream in that tunnel. This is where the party's at. Amazing. They wouldn't let us do that in the UK, I don't think. They're like, everyone be quiet and hold hands. All right, we're coming up to the India Gate now. Just up the steps. Wow. Amazing. So here there has been quite a few people asking for photos, but one particularly wholesome moment was a gentleman asked if his mum could have a photo, and she just looks so beautiful in her sari, and oh my goodness, I was just like, I want a photo. So that was very wholesome. We've now walked around the back, and here you can see the other part of the memorial. In the back of the India Gate here, it's definitely quieter. Oh my goodness, there's so many school kids, they're following us. They're cute though, bless them. Oh, this is cute. I love it. Okay guys, so we are now heading back after seeing India Gate, and we're gonna head back to the next stop of the day, which we're thinking might be a tomb. I'm not sure yet. We'll keep it posted. Alright guys, so we have just arrived at our next stop of the day, which is Humayun's tomb. And apparently this place is meant to resemble quite significantly the Taj Mahal, so I'm quite excited to see it. Entrance fee is 600 Indian rupees, which is about £6, maybe just under 550. So not too spenny. Yes, we're going to show you what it's all about. Alright guys, so we've made it to the steps of Humayun's tomb, and apparently Humayun actually died falling down some steps, and these steps, boy, look at them. These are the steepest steps you have seen. Keep going this way, or even these steps. They are some steep stepperoonies. Wow, it's beautiful. Just to give you an idea of those steps, that's how steep they are. But look at the view. Wow, it's beautiful. So peaceful up here. Apparently this is very similar to the Taj Mahal but smaller, and it's built with predominantly red limestone with some white marble, whereas the Taj Mahal is built with predominantly white marble. And it was built by Humayun's wife when he passed away, and it is stunning and really peaceful. And apparently Humayun was an astronomer, which is why there are stars all over the building as well, which is cool. Back down these crazy steps we go, guys. Wish us luck. Woof, boy. Handle, I think. These stairs are proper steep. Alright, I'm braving it without the handle. Pretty though. Alright guys, I had a little nap in the car, so I'm a bit snoozy, but we've just stopped for lunch and we're both absolutely starving. So we've stopped at Tandoori Town restaurant. So, oh, there's a puppy. Charlotte. Oh, hi little puppy dog. Hello. Oh my god, my dog is so cute. I can't. He's a little dog. I'll let you know how this food is. Charlotte, there's a puppy outside. No, I'm not. I'm being so serious. There's a puppy. Okay guys, so the size of the paneer out here. Look at this. I got a paneer makhani. Charlotte got a chicken biryani. I can't believe it. They're like this big. But it smells amazing. I'm so excited. And it was like 400 rupees for curry, 200 for rice. It's like £4 for curry. For rice. I'm lifelong vegetarian. if you're new to the channel, and the fact that every single menu here has a whole section dedicated to vegetarians, because India has the highest population of vegetarians in the world, so I'm so excited. So anyway, let me try this. And the paneer. That's so nice. His paneer is actually bigger than my face. Look how big it is. In the UK, the paneer is like this big. Amazing. Alright gang, so we have just finished that delicious lunch and we are at our last stop of the day, which is Qutub Minar, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so that's super exciting. I've been to a couple of UNESCO World Heritage Sites and they've never disappointed, so I am excited. We're just getting our tickets and then we're going to head in. The entrance is just over here. And then we're making this our last stop of the day because it's about an hour drive back to our hotel. We're meeting the rest of the group that we're going on tour with later. We're going out for dinner and we've got to be ready in there at 6. So tight on time, trying to squeeze everything in. See you inside. Okay guys, I was today years old when I realised that Indian squirrels look like chipmunks and they are the cutest things I've ever seen. Please don't run away so I can show you. Look at them. Look at that, they're so cute. Don't run away, Mr. Lou. You are so cute. Oh my goodness, I can't deal with how cute you are. He's like, if I don't move, they won't see me. Yeah, so I didn't expect to come to India and be obsessed with their squirrels, but they are the cutest things ever. Wow, this place is beautiful. It is stunning, wow. We're getting some selfies. Oh wait. Okay. Yeah. So, this building right here, well it's half a building actually, just here. This building was built in front of Qutub Minar, which is over there, to be bigger, but the person who was building it passed away before they finished it and then no one finished it off, so it's just here. There's half a building, but it's still pretty impressive. You can imagine how big it would have been. And Qutub Minar is just here. You can see the top of it. We're gonna go and check that one out in just a second. It's really beautiful actually. We're now nearing sunset time, which is just gone 5 in India at the moment, and it's like golden hour and everything is just beautiful. Really stunning. A lot of people asking for selfies at the moment and we are in a rush. I'm trying to be nice, but we are late, but that's fine, it's okay. We'll hopefully not be too late for dinner. You can see it behind me now and it's just so beautiful, honestly. Such a peaceful experience and such a contrast coming off the streets of Delhi where you're hearing a horn every half a second and it's just craziness, so busy, so chaotic, and then you walk in here and it's just serene and you can just hear birds. It's beautiful. It's, yeah, really special place. Highly recommend coming if you are in Delhi. This is my favorite place of the day, and again, UNESCO World Heritage Sites do not disappoint. It was beautiful. I actually can't deal with these squirrels, guys. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with them. Look at them go! Hello! Ba-ba-boom!